Hanbs-Rachel as a manufacturer of Swiss-type CNC lathes. After-sales service is important consideration and essential for customers. We provide comprehensive after-sales support, including installation debugging, operation training, maintenance, and so on. We have professional technicians to assist the customer to installation the equipment mostly, and provide systematic training to operators. We also provide rapid response maintenance services and spare parts supply to ensure the long-term stable operation of the equipment. After-sales service supports its core competencies of Swiss-type CNC lathe suppliers.